Welcome to your HP Camp Preparation Program, Day 3 video demonstration. By now you should have reviewed your Micro Lecture 1 material. If you have not, please stop this video and review it at this time. During your dynamic warm-up, you will perform progressive intensity jogging efforts to increase your heart rates, breathing rates, body temperature, and muscle pliability. In between jogging efforts, you will perform dynamic range of motion exercises. First, you will squat while maintaining the key elements of success in the squatting motion with a 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric timing. Following your next jogging effort, you will perform Romanian deadlifts while maintaining the key elements of success in the hip hinge with a timing of 3 eccentric, 1 pause, and 2 concentric. Next, you will perform lateral squats while maintaining the key elements of success in the squat variation with a timing of 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric. Next, you will perform crossover lunges while maintaining the key elements of success in this split stance motion with a 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric timing. After performing a lateral shuffle, you will finish your range of motion drills with a reverse lunge and overhead reach while maintaining the key elements of success in this split stance variation and a timing of 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric. These lift preparation drills will safely prepare you for your resistance training lift complexes. First, you'll perform scapular push-ups. You will allow your scapula or shoulder blades to collapse, and then forcefully open your shoulder blades to reset your posture while maintaining a timing of 2 eccentric, 2 concentric. During the lying overhead arm slides, your focus is on maintaining wrist and elbow contact with the ground to force range of motion through your shoulder girdle and stability through your upper spine. Next, you will perform functional push-ups with elbows tight to the body and hands shoulder width apart. You will maintain the key elements of success in this pushing motion with a 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric timing. Finally, on a high angle, you will set up hands just wider than shoulder width and perform a incline row while maintaining the key elements of success in a pulling motion and a 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric timing. During your lift complexes, your sole focus is on the quality of movements and maintaining the key elements of success in these foundational movements of training. During the dumbbell chest press, you will maintain the key elements of success in the pushing motion with a 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric timing. During the 3-point dumbbell row, you will set up one arm supported, split stance, and neutral spine position. You will maintain the key elements of success in this pulling motion with a 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric timing. During plank walkouts, you'll work on increasing your spine bracing endurance in this challenging drill that lengthens the lever and stress on the spine. If any loss of spine control occurs, limit the distance at which you walk out. The timing will be 2 seconds walk out, 2 pause at extension, 2 seconds walk in. Perform all 3 of these drills consecutively with very little rest between drills. Following the completion of the 3 drills, you will rest for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. Half of this rest will be active, meaning you are jogging, cycling, or at least walking. Half of this time will be used to hydrate or adjust your level of resistance. During the functional push-up, your hands should be shoulder-width apart and elbows should track tight to the body. Maintain the key elements of success in the pushing motion with a timing of 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric. Next, hands will be just outside shoulder width. Maintain the key elements of success of pulling motions with a timing of 3 eccentric, 1 pause, 2 concentric. Finally, you will work on hip control and pelvic stability in supine hip lifts as you perform this drill with a timing of 2 concentric, 3 pause, 2 eccentric. Perform all 3 of these drills consecutively with very little rest between drills. Following the completion of the 3 drills, you'll rest for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. Half of this rest will be active, meaning you are jogging, cycling, or at least walking. Half this time will be used to hydrate or adjust your level of resistance. Today we will use static stretch techniques to assist you in regenerating after your workout. First, you will perform the doorway chest stretch. You should feel a light intensity stretch through your arm and chest. You will hold it for approximately 1 minute each side. Next, you will perform an overhead lat stretch. You will feel a light intensity stretch through your underarm, armpits, and upper back. You will hold this stretch for approximately 1 minute each side. Finally, you will perform a leaning pull stretch. You will feel a light intensity stretch through your shoulder girdle and upper back. You will hold for approximately 1 minute each side.